Hi, it's Steve here, and it is Sunday, April 14th. So rainy recently outside where I live. So just kind of like a little Sunday, did a couple things. Went to a birthday party and went to church. But Sundays is kind of like a little bit of a day of rest. So, not always on our A game when it comes to meal prep and making. So what we're going to do here is just make some simple, chocolate chip pancakes here. And what's going to help me is this batter mixer and dispenser. So it takes the guesswork out of what you got to do. And what we're going to do is just going to mix in some of the ingredients here. So the lid just comes off. And what I'm going to do is just add in the pancake batter, milk, and the eggs. So when you use this, you put in the liquids first. So I got a cup of milk, the eggs, and then the pancake mix. Whoops. Got a little messy there, but that's okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some chocolate chips in it. And the mixer's got 3 settings, so I'm going to put it on setting 2 because that's for, dispensing the pancakes. So then, just going to put this down on, lock the lid. And then all we're gonna do is mix up the batter. Make it nice and even with the chocolate chips. Okay, and next, for dispensing, you put this lid on. And then you take the bottom off. And you just put it in on an angle. Well, let me I'll put this back on. Then I'm going to put it on level 2. And then the batter is going to come out of the bottom here. And then I'm going to show you how it goes into the pan.